Mastering customer relationship management. Staying current in CRM means survival. What steps will its customer relationship management team take to ensure that they stay informed and current with the latest trends and emerging best practices in the field of customer relationship management? To ensure that the customer relationship management (CRM) team stays informed and current with the latest trends and emerging best practices in the field of customer relationship management, the following steps will be taken. Establish a culture of continuous learning. The CRM team will prioritize ongoing learning and professional development, recognizing that the field of CRM is constantly evolving. Team members will be encouraged to dedicate a portion of their workweek to self-directed learning, attending webinars, and participating in online forums and discussion groups focused on CRM. Industry research and reports. The CRM team will conduct regular research on the latest CRM trends, technologies, and best practices by reviewing industry reports from reputable sources such as Forrester, Gartner, and Accenture, analyzing case studies and success stories from leading organizations, participating in industry-specific conferences, seminars, and workshops, subscription to industry publications and newsletters. The CRM team will maintain subscriptions to industry-leading publications, such as CRM Magazine, Customer Experience Magazine, and Destination CRM, to stay informed about the latest developments and trends in CRM. Professional associations and networking. The CRM team will actively participate in professional associations, such as the Customer Relationship Management Association, CRMA, and the Customer Experience Professionals Association, CXPA, to attend conferences, seminars, and workshops. Network with peers and thought leaders in the industry. Stay updated on best practices, emerging trends, and innovative solutions. Collaboration and knowledge sharing. The CRM team will foster a culture of collaboration and knowledge sharing by regularly scheduling team meetings and knowledge sharing sessions, encouraging team members to share their experiences, insights, and best practices, creating a centralized knowledge base or wiki to document and share knowledge and expertise, benchmarking and peer review. The CRM team will engage in benchmarking activities with peer organizations to identify and adopt best practices, learn from the experiences of others, share knowledge and expertise with peers. Training and certification. The CRM team will prioritize training and certification programs to ensure that team members have the necessary skills and knowledge to stay current with the latest trends and emerging best practices in CRM. Mentorship and coaching. The CRM team will establish a mentorship program where experienced team members will coach and guide less experienced colleagues, promoting knowledge sharing and skills transfer. Staying up to date with technology. The CRM team will stay informed about the latest CRM technologies, tools, and platforms by participating in product demos and trials, attending vendor-sponsored events and workshops, reviewing industry reports and analysis on CRM technology trends. By taking these steps, the CRM team will ensure that they stay informed and current with the latest trends and emerging best practices in the field of customer relationship management, enabling them to provide exceptional service to customers and drive business success.